After looking to be dead with a CEO leaving, a new CEO coming in, the whole little thing of social media names changing back, and now they're back again, we finally have it. The 2024 WSX schedule. And if you look on their socials, or at least on their Twitter or their X, whatever you want to call it, it says, quote, 4 rounds, 2 new cities, our biggest season yet. Well, not really, considering last year they had 6 rounds. Granted, only 3 of them actually worked or got ran, but you still planned for 2 more rounds. That should have been your biggest season. If you're dropping 2 rounds already, you're going from, was it a 3 round to a 6 round to a 4 round? Doesn't look very good. Obviously, who knows? If this works out, it could be one of those things that first couple year jitters and whatever. But right there, you've got it. Canada, Australia, and Abu Dhabi. The 2 rounds in Perth is kind of weird considering they don't have one in Sydney. But if you look at that, you had Canada, Britain, which they're cutting out, French, German, Asian, and Australian. Now you've got what? Canadian, 2 Australian, and Abu Dhabi, which is good. I don't know. It seems weird to me that you're advertising this as the biggest season yet or biggest season ever. Well, you've only had 3 seasons so far, and the last one was 50% failed. So who knows? Comment down below. Tell me, are you excited about this? This is something you're gonna watch. Are you excited for it? You see if Ken Roxon can, take another championship, I guess? Or is it one of those things that you don't read this as a championship if it's only 3 or 4 rounds, whatever it is? But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Are you excited for it? Who do you think wins? I guess, whatever. And yeah, while you're down there, make sure to, like I said, comment, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.